Welcome to Arc Dev Labs. It's good to see you.
Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to read documentation of VAPI. So there are many things that are present in this documentation. Basically you don't need to read all the stuffs, okay? Just you need to read whenever you want. So I'm going through introduction part. Okay, here it is given introduction, right? Okay, it is given LLM, text to speech, speech to text, right? Two-way to building voice agents, like first is assistant and second one is squad. That is a multi-assistant setup with specialization, right? Any means we can set up multi agents with each other. Okay, this is a phone call. Yeah, I will tell you this phone call. What is it, right? This is developer tools, CLI, command line interface. Okay. Okay. So let's quick start, right? So create an assistant. As you can see, I already told you. Okay, how to add. Okay. So first call. Add a phone number. Here I told you about how to add inbound call and how to add outbound call, right? So basically in this inbound call, it is call the phone number you created. So your assistant will answer with the first message, right? So outbound is on which number would you like to call? Okay. Here is core concepts like transient and permanent configuration. Here is tools, that is built-in tools की बात करें अगर हम, here is transfer call, right? Let's suppose if you are building a chat agent for orders, okay, and your order is damaged, your order is not booked, yeah, or you want to refund, so you make a call to agent, right? And after calling to agent, if you want to talk to manager, okay, it will transfer your call to the manager, okay, and the call same like this. So function provides when end call is include is the assistant's list of available tools, right? Send text, simple. Okay, dial keypad, it's a simple thing. You will see, I will tell. API request, oh, it is also a very good thing, because in this as I mentioned you in my project that I used AI voice agent. So for that I call API request, right? I call API request on URL. So after collecting all the data from user, and it will convert from speech to text and then send to the backend, right? So it uses API request. There is a post request, so you can do anything, right? Voicemail tool, if you want to do voicemail, there are many tools, right? That is code tool. So it is very necessary, sometimes it is very necessary to read documentation. If you will not read, you cannot get updates. If something is updated in your VAPI, you will just find out here, okay? So if you get any trouble, just come here and read the documentation. You will know everything. So just go through documentation, not thoroughly, not through roughly all the things. Just go roughly, see what is API reference, what is MCP servers, what is SDKs, what is CLI, what is chain log. Just go through all these topics, okay? In next video I will tell you another thing. Till then, stay tuned.